Hey there, friends and fellow crafters, it's LeeAnn, and I'm here today with Imagine Crafts. I'm going to be using a Kaleidacolor Raised Rainbow dye ink pad in Desert Heat. I am inking up my brayer and layering that out on a sheet of Kromecote cardstock. This is a ceramic coated cardstock that is great for dye inks when you're wanting to do a technique such as this. Just layering up the ink and letting the brayer do the blending. This ink pad has 2 oranges, actually 3, tangerine, vermilion, and carrot, fire engine, and crimson. It goes from the lightest orange to the brightest red. This gives it a great look, and it really pulls off the card that I wanted to make. So here we go. I'm cutting down my panel. My panel is going to be cut to just over 4 by 5 1/4, as I am going to be layering it on a sheet of black layering panel that is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. This way I have a nice edge around my card base. So now I have that cut. I'm going to bring in my mini MISTI so that I can do my stamping. I am using a stamp set from Stampers Anonymous called Motivation 2. It does have 4 motivational stamps on it. They are red rubber stamps. And I really love this stamp set when I need to do a motivational card. So here we go. I did forget to take the mouse pad out of my MISTI. So before stamping, I did go ahead and pull that out of there. And now I am evidently looking for, there we go, VersaFine Clair in Nocturne. Yes, it stays on my desk. However, I still lose it. So here we go, ink that up, and stamp it down, press it carefully, make sure that it is stamped perfectly and that everything is inked. And then I'm going to do it again. I probably should not have, but that's okay. So here we go, and we will get this taken care of. I'm going to wave it a little bit to make sure that it's dry. I'm actually going away for 3 weeks. I do have a few crafty things packed to go with me, including my heat tool. So not using my heat tool today. And so here we go. This is my black panel. I'm going to use my tear it tape and go ahead and put that down so that I can add my inked up panel to the top of it. And then I will do the same, adding this to my card. Oh, nope, I'm going to add this to my card base first. Make sure that I've got that there correctly. And then I will add the panel that I inked up to that. Again, everything will be linked in the description box below. I will have links to the Imagine store for the products from Imagine that I used. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. And as they come to me, I will answer your questions. And here we go. I decided I wanted to add some pearls. These are half sliced flat back pearls, and they are called Fire Flame. And so I decided I wanted to add a few of these because they do match my inked up background. So I am using the On Point glue to go ahead and add some liquid glue down so that I could put my pearls on. Now my little jewel picker there that I'm using, I'm so proud of it. My daughter made it. She plays with resin sometime, a lot in her craft room, and so she made that and I got it from her. And there we go, the finished card. Hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.